Operating your Otolift Air is simple. Bring the lift to you by pressing the button on the remote control. Fold down the seat. Press the button in the arm to unfold the footrest. No need to bend over. Fasten the seat belt. Using reverse drive technology allows the lift to partially or even fully travel backwards, maximizing clearance for your knees on even the narrowest of staircases. Unfasten the seatbelt and dismount safely. Our advisors will gladly answer any other questions you may have about an Otolift stair lift.